DNA. DNA is the genetic material of all eukaryotic animals, bacteria, along with some viruses. We inherit some characters from our parents that is totally depend on our genetic sequences. In this video, I'm going to discuss about the 10 amazing facts about human DNA. Hello friends, welcome to Biology Concern. I'm Animesh. So let's jump into the topic. So first, our genome is 99% similar to nearly every other human on the earth. So if we take two person, one from America and one from India, or everywhere in the world, 99% of our genome is similar with every another person. Next thing is 1 gram of DNA is capable of storing 215 petabytes of data. That means 215 million gigabytes of data. So very little amount of DNA, that is 1 gram of DNA, is capable of storing 215 million gigabytes of data. Third, human genome can stretch up to 600 times from Earth to Sun. If we collect extracted all of our DNA from all of our cells and combine them one after another, then it stretch up to 600 times from Earth to Sun. Next, 23,000 genes in a human make up only 2 to 3% of our entire genome. Our DNA base pair, the length of our DNA base pair is 3.2 billion base pair. Okay, and 23,000 genes present in a human, at least discovered till now. So 23,000 genes in a human make up nearly 2 to 3% of our entire genome. That is huge, right? Next one is 50% of our genome made up of what we call jumping gene or transposable elements. So half of our DNA is called jumping gene. The transposable elements was discovered by Barbara McClintock, and it is a jumping gene. So jumping gene means a DNA sequence that can copy itself and paste it another region of the DNA, and that how it influences our DNA or genetic codes and create a mutation or something like that. Next one is that it takes about 8 hours for one cell to completely copy its DNA. So if a cell decided to this cell division, go on cell division, it have to pass through the synthesis phase. That means DNA duplication phase. And in case of human cell, one cell needs 8 hours to complete its entire genome for to copy. Next is then less than 2% of total DNA carries the instruction to make proteins. So every of our character, everything which we express, that means our characteristic features, our traits, that is the thing which is dependent on protein that we produced, and those proteins makes by some genes, and those and the number of the genes is less than 2% of our total DNA. Next one, we still do not know the function of 80% of our genome. Okay, so till now we have only known 20% of the function of our total genome. Rest of 80% is still unknown. Next one is around 8% of our DNA comes from a virus. So when a virus enter in human body, it leaves its genome. So 8% of our DNA made from those viruses which we actually encounter in our lifetime. Next thing, number 10, we share 98% of genetic similarity of chimpanzee and 95% with rat. Human and chimpanzees share 98% genetic similarities, whether humans with rats share 95% of its genome. Last, there's a tip for you about human body. Our body consisted of 37 trillion of cells and in 200 different kind of cells. So more than 200 kind of cells make up a 37 trillion of cells in our entire body. So our entire body is actually built by 37 trillions of cells. So stay tuned in Biology Concern for many more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.